Hello dear students, today we will discuss right to equality. Dear students, though this right is given to every individual by the Indian Constitution, still we face discrimination. We see discrimination on the basis of religion, caste and social status. So before discussing this right to equality, we will have two examples of such discriminations. In example number 1, there is a man Swadesh Kumar and he returns his village with one of his friends, and on the way he decided to take a cup of tea on the roadside hotel, and as the owner of that shop knows Swadesh very well, that's why he did not ask Swadesh his caste and name, but ordered his servant to ask for the caste of friend of Swadesh. And after knowing the caste of Swadesh's friend, he served tea to the friend of Swadesh in a earthen cup and served tea to Swadesh in a fine mug. So what was this? This was the fine example of discrimination. It was done because the friend of Swadesh belonged to a Dalit, belonged to SC or scheduled caste and was a Dalit, while Swadesh belonged to upper caste. So this is discrimination based on the caste. And second example, there was a TV channel in which four women who were news readers were asked to resign or get voluntary retirement and were debarred from presenting the news. When asked, the reason was given that those women have crossed the age of 55 years, while two other persons who were male, they have also crossed the age of 55 years, but they were not barred from representing the news and they continued their job. So this was the case of discrimination on the basis of sex. The women were asked not to present the news, while men were given opportunity to present the news. That is why there is a right that is given in the Indian Constitution, that is right to equality, and it is detailed in part 3 from article 14 to article 18 in the Constitution of India. So let's study the right to equality that is mentioned in Indian Constitution. First one, equality before law, equal protection of law. Under article 14, it is mentioned that every citizen of India will be equal before law and equal procedure of law will be followed in every case without any discrimination. So under article 14, equality before law and equal protection of law is mentioned. And according to article 14, prohibition of discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth is mentioned. And everybody has equal right to go to shop and purchase his things, go to hotels and make a stay there, utilize well waters, well and other water bodies, tanks, bathing ghats, roads, etc. So under Article 15, everybody has equal right to utilize these things, and discrimination of such things is prohibited on the basis of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Under Article 16, every individual has right, that is equality of opportunity in public employment. Every individual has equal right to get employment, to get public employment, and according to Article 17, abolition of untouchability is done. According to Article 17, discrimination cannot be made on the basis of caste, SC, ST to SC and STs, as it was practiced in old society, that scheduled castes were considered untouchable. So at present time, Indian Constitution abolished this evil practice, this negative practice, and abolished untouchability under Article 17. And Article 18 describes abolition of titles, means no titles will be given to any citizen, but titles in armies are still given, and Bharat Ratna awards are also given, but it is restricted that titles before names will not be used. And if anyone has to take any title or any honor from any other country, then that person has to take prior permission of Indian government. So dear students, today we studied right to equality that is given to every individual by Indian Constitution. In next class we will study the next rights which are given to every citizen by Indian Constitution. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt through comment box. Thank you again.